This video will show you where your Steam Trade URL is located. Firstly, click the Help button at the top left corner of the screen. Next, click Steam Support. Proceed in clicking the Trading, Gifting, Market, and Steam Points button. Click Trading, then I need my Steam Trade URL.
Trade holds last up to 15 days. If you're trading items with a friend and you've been friends for more than 1 year, the hold is 1 day. What is a market hold? A market hold is a period of time after a sell listing is created where the items are held by Steam before they are available on the community market.
I recommend searching the Steam trading policies to get a better understanding of why you may not be able to trade. Stay safe while trading, and remember, Steam will never message you through a Steam profile or ask for your account information.